Hi, thanks for choosing Paul Sherry RV. Today we're taking a look at a brand new Forest River Vibe Extreme Lite 243 BHS, and we'll look at the inside and the out and get you a better, closer look than the pictures. Starting here up front, we got a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks. Got the aluminum diamond plate here, protects you from road debris, and fiberglass top. Let's go this way. Access to the pass-through storage on both sides of this unit. Fresh water and city water connection, and your 30 amp cord. It's got a back door to the bathroom. This unit's got power stabilizer jacks. Spare tire and grill with the cover that swings around to meet you at your outside kitchen. Got a fridge, sink, metal countertop, radial nitrogen filled tires on alloy wheels. You've got outlet and cable here outside if you want to set up a TV. Outside speakers. Nice long awning with LED lights underneath. We'll head inside. You got this nice big grab handle. Door with the shock to keep it from blowing around. Starting up front in the bedroom area, got your two wardrobes, queen size bed, windows on both sides. Ducted air conditioning in this unit. Right here in the entertainment center, you got DVD player, radio combo. Where you'd place the TV will spin around. Dinette with nice cushions and storage underneath. Nice big double sink with cover. Glass top stove, extend your counter space. Got stainless steel appliances. Nice little pantry storage area back here. Nice and deep. And then back here you've got your double bunks. Got some storage space underneath. And the very spacious bathroom. Shower surround and skylight. Nice big sink with some counter space. Medicine cabinet. Even has a towel holder and a toilet paper holder. Spinning around here, give you a look at the kitchen from back here. Again, this is a brand new 2017 Forest River Vibe Extreme Lite 243 BHS, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.